If we're using GRAMBLR and you can no longer use GRAMBLR on your Instagram, well, there's a new one called NOX Player 6.3.0.8 Android 5. Now, I'm an Android user, so I'm going to be using Android terminology, not Apple. But I would imagine it works the same on Apple. But download NOX Player, and I'm going to put a link below the video for that. And I'm going to just click open here since I've already got it this far. And I'm going to go back and show you in just a second where to get it at and everything. But I want to see if it even opens. So there it's open. Instagram login. Reopen it. Try it again. Android on your computer. Like I said before, this is only 16 gigs of RAM. It's an old computer. GRAMBLR did work pretty good, but I guess Instagram stopped using it. There it is, Instagram. My goodness, after all that, I finally got logged in. So I don't know if this is going to be worth me doing it or not, but I'm going to try to drop and drag a video in here and see what happens. It's working and working and working. I don't think this is ready for prime time. Some people that are promoting this NOX Player says it's better than GRAMBLR for uploading to Instagram, but I am not finding that to be true. It may after a while, after I use it a while and get used to it or something. But for right now, it's not working. As you can see, it's kind of stuck. Let's just close the program. We're going to close the program. Okay, well anyway, you can see what issues I'm having with it. I mean, I hope GRAMBLR is no longer working. It is shut down. It don't work anymore. You can get this free emulator, NOX Player. I'll put the link to the download underneath the video. Good luck, everybody. This is Harold signing off. You guys have a great day. Hello, everybody. You know what day it is? It's Friday. And what do we do on Friday? We get out of town. So I'm going to take my ride and I'm going to get on out of here. So you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you later, alligator.